Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, we're taking a look at 5 top dividend stocks to consider for the month of October. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Like I said, today we're talking dividend stocks. Now all of the companies that we're looking at today have an ex-dividend date in the month of October with payment dates in the weeks following. On top of this, they're also rated strong buys from analysts. So we're going to take a quick look at these companies, what kind of dividend they're paying, and how the analysts weigh in. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Okay, let's dive into these 5 dividend stocks for October. First on our list today is the New Residential Investment Corporation. Trading under the ticker NRZ, they're currently priced just above $11 per share. NRZ does pay a quarterly dividend of 25 cents per share and has the highest yield on our list today at 7.58%. Their next ex-dividend date is today on the 30th, with a payment date coming up on October 28th. New Residential provides capital and services to the mortgage and financial services industry. Their objective is to leverage their proven investment expertise and identity and invest in assets that offer attractive risk-adjusted returns while also protecting their existing portfolio and generating long-term value for investors. They target assets that generate stable, long-term cash flows and employ conservative capital structures to provide returns throughout different interest rate environments. In the last quarter, 2 new hedge funds have opened positions with the NRZ stock. One was for about $400,000, while the other was over $18.5 million. There are 5 analysts that have a current rating on the NRZ stock, and they all come in with unanimous buy ratings. Their average price target is $12.70, which would be an upside potential just shy of 15% for the next year. Second on our list today is the ING Groep. Their stock trades under the ticker ING and is currently priced at $14.61 per share. They pay a quarterly dividend of 48 cents per share for a current dividend yield of 4.12%. Their next ex-dividend date is on October 3rd with a payment date of October 18th. ING is a multinational banking and financial services company headquartered in Amsterdam. Their purpose is to empower people to stay a step ahead in life and in business. Their 57,000 employees serve around 38.5 million customers. ING operates in more than 40 countries and is a market leader in the Netherlands, Belgium, and Luxembourg. In the past quarter, one hedge fund significantly increased their position in the ING stock. Fisher Asset Management added to their position for a total value now of over $584 million. There are 3 analysts that currently have a rating on the ING stock, and it does come in as a strong buy. The average price target of $15.13 would be an upside just over 3%. Number 3 on our list today is Four Corners Property Trust. Trading under the ticker FCPT, they're currently priced at $27.48 per share. Their quarterly dividend is 32 cents per share for a current yield of 4.64%. Their next ex-dividend date is on October 5th for payment on October 14th. Four Corners is a REIT that owns retail and restaurant properties. They're among the nation's leading owners of restaurant and retail real estate, with a portfolio of 833 properties across 46 states. This includes some well-known companies like the Olive Garden, Texas Roadhouse, and Buffalo Wild Wings. Four Corners' initial real estate portfolio consisted of 418 restaurants that spun out back in 2015 from Darden Restaurants. Their weighted average lease term is 9.7 years. Once again, we have 3 analysts with current ratings on the stock. And another strong buy with unanimous buy ratings, their average price target comes in at $31 per share, which would be an upside potential of nearly 13%. Fourth up, we have biopharmaceutical company AbbVie. Trading under the ticker ABBV, they're currently priced at $110 per share. Their quarterly dividend is $1.30 per share for a yield of 4.82%. Their ex-dividend date is coming up on October 13th for a payment date of November 14th. AbbVie seeks drug treatment for difficult-to-cure diseases. They work on coming up with new approaches to addressing today's health issues, from life-threatening illnesses to chronic conditions. They focused their research and development across 4 different therapeutic categories, including immunology, hematologic oncology, neuroscience, and allergen aesthetics. They have approximately 48,000 employees worldwide in over 70 different countries, and there are over 57 million people that are treated by AbbVie's products every year in over 175 countries. The AbbVie stock has 12 current analyst ratings and comes in as a strong buy based on 10 buy ratings and 2 holds. The average price target of $128 would be an upside potential of over 16% for this next year. And last but certainly not least on our list today, number 5, we have the Royal Bank of Canada. Their stock trades under the ticker RY and is currently priced at about $100 per share. They pay a quarterly dividend of 85 cents per share for a dividend yield of 3.61%. Their next ex-dividend date is on October 24th for payment on November 23rd. The Royal Bank is one of the largest banks in Canada and one of the biggest banks in the world when looking at market capitalization. They are one of North America's leading diversified financial services companies and provide personal and commercial banking, wealth management, insurance, investor services, and capital markets products and services on a global basis. With over 86,000 employees, they have a diversified business model with a focus on innovation and providing exceptional experiences to their 17 million clients in Canada, the US, and 34 other countries. With 9 current analyst ratings, the Royal Bank stock does come in as a strong buy based on 7 buy ratings and 2 holds. Their average price target comes in just shy of $113, which would be an upside potential of nearly 13%. So there are 5 strong buy dividend companies for the month of October. Now, I always love hearing from you guys, so make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think of these 5 dividend paying stocks, and what are some of your favorite dividend companies in your portfolio right now? Please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Always make sure you're doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you back here next time.